Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School Life at Campus Islamabad. And today I am sharing my short documentary and my topic is how small business build strong economies. Today we are going to explore an important topic. When people think about successful business, they often imagine large international companies, but in reality, the backbone of every strong economy is made up of small business. From neighborhood grocery stores and clothing shops or to restaurants, freelancers and online business, small business play a huge role in improving people's lives and strengthening communities. Let's discover how they make a big impact. The first and most important contribution of small business is job creation or creating jobs. Every small business, no matter how small it is, creates opportunities for people to earn a living. A bakery hires bakers and cashiers, a tailor hires assistants, a small software company hires programmers and designers. As more small business grow, more people find jobs, support their families, and improve their quality of life. This helps reduce unemployment and strengthen the economy. Small businesses are closely connected to their local communities. Supporting local communities when you buy products from a local shop, eat at a neighborhood restaurant, or hire a local service provider, your money stays within the community. Business owners use their income to pay employee, purchase, supply, and support their local business, encouraging innovation. Small businesses are often full of creative ideas. Many entrepreneurs start with a simple solution to a common problem. Whether it's developing a new mobile app, creating eco friendly products, or offering better customer services, small business often introduce fresh ideas that improve everyday lives, supporting the national income. Small businesses also contribute to the country's economy as they grow, they pay taxes, create employment, and increase production. They help reduce poverty by creating income opportunity and encourage entrepreneurship. Many small businesses also export products to other countries, bringing foreign income into the economy and promoting local industries worldwide. The role of technology. Today, technology has made it easier than ever to start and grow a small business. Social media, online marketplace, digital payment, and e-commerce website also entrepreneur to research and reach customers across the country and even around the world. A person can start selling homemade product, clothing, artwork, or a digital service from home using only a smartphone and an internet connection. Challenges and opportunities. Running a small business is not always easy. Business owners often face challenges such as limited funding, strong competition, rising costs, and changing customer needs. However, with hard work, creativity, good planning, and continuous learning, many entrepreneurs overcome these challenges and build successful business. Small businesses may be small in size, but their impact in enormous. They create jobs, support local communities, encourage innovation, strengthen the economy, and improve in the life of millions of people. Every successful business, no matter how large it becomes, usually start with one simple idea and one person willing to take a choice. The next successful entrepreneur could be someone watching this documentary today. Thank you so much for watching my short documentary of how small business build strong economy. If you enjoyed this documentary, hope so like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.